I don't know. Stop playing, please. I got you, Adora.
So this looks like the Chichi anymore. Chizo is the Chichi.
Chizo is a Chichi. They are both Chichi now, Mama.
Yeah, I like to call Chizo.
Oh, wow. You want to... Were you looking for something?
Okay then. I've been complete. It's not backward.
Okay. Okay, you're cool.
And the back shoes is to match the nose.
Okay. And you don't have to pay any money for this, right?
I don't know.
I'm asking you, Blessing. I'm not asking you. Blessing, I'm asking you.
No.
Okay. Anyway, I'll read some messages from your school because they like to say wear your own clothes and then pay a certain amount of money. That's how we raise money. It's okay, Mama. At this age, you guys are supposed to be eating more, so it's okay.
Your HDD used to eat more cereal, Mommy? No. Just never tell me it's surgery,
Okay, my eyes can't see right now. Can anyone see button? I think I have it there. I was like, what's going on? I was using button not longer. All of a sudden, I can't see it. I don't. Blessing, when it has to do with sugar, your eyes, your own eyes, they can't see. And then it's only when you are, for you to see the wrong things, your eyes will be sharp. When you have to now know when to stop when you're putting honey in your cereal, somebody else have to tell you when to stop. Funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not even funny, silly. That's the word I'm supposed to use.
I think Daddy's not looking good as a human.
It's not new moon today, person. It's not new moon today. New moon ended sundown yesterday. Oh, great. Put it in here. Would you guys try pear today?
Okay.
Not a problem, right?
Yeah.
I know that yeah is not convincing. So.
So.
Okay, right. I'm gonna put it with the apple so that if you don't like, you can still eat the apple, yeah? Or maybe I'll put some few grapes as well. Okay.
These are big girls. We don't need a girl to go to school.
It's not about being a big girl, and it's about it gives me peace of mind if I speak to you guys to know that you are in school. So many things you don't watch the news. Many things are happening to children out there. So you guys, it doesn't matter. Those things are happening here in Ireland. So, I mean, even if they are not happening, some things, even if they happen to other countries, that doesn't mean that they cannot happen to Ireland. So,
I've never seen somebody get kidnapped.
you never see. So you want to be able to see first before you can be careful.
No.
Your children are being kidnapped every day. I'm telling you. What did you say? I'm telling you, your dad.
Last time when me and the daughter were walking into school, I saw like there was a car, and then this person was looking at me and the daughter like.
So are you saying you don't believe me?
I'm trying to believe you, Mom.
You have to stay alert, Adora. I'm telling you, things are happening out there. You understand? So I shouldn't be telling you something. You're laughing as if I'm joking. I'm not joking. This is not a joke. Things are happening out there. Children, they go missing. Do you think they just go missing from being in the house? They go missing from going out from the house, going somewhere, maybe not coming back. And then something has happened to them. So God forbid that it can never happen to you guys. But I'm just saying that you have to be careful. Don't think that things are not happening. Stop living in don't be delusional.
One day there was a man in the car looking like this one. Look, Mom.
You guys, the Most High protects you, but That does not mean you must not be careful, okay? Does that make sense? Yeah. The Most High will always protect you guys, but I want you guys to always be alert. Don't feel like you're an island, you're in a safe country, and you just be loose. You have to be alert on what is going on out there, and you are definitely, the Most High will always protect you, but I also want you to be careful, and that is why I always want to know when you guys go to school. Of course, it has never happened in Ireland where a child will go to school and will go missing. Usually they go missing maybe when they are home. And usually when they go missing, a child go missing, maybe another parent took the child.
Why was the child just went somewhere and it's like,
Adora, a young child, where will he go? A 4-year-old child, where will he go? Stop. Just stop. Where will he go? Where will the 4-year-old go? Yeah, but when I'm talking about a child, I'm talking about, like, you, where is it that you will go that we won't know where you are?
I'm talking about me.
Yeah, but if you're saying not a 4-year-old, let's just say not a 4-year-old now, a 10-year-old. Where will you go?
I'm talking about like a 13-year-old.
We're not talking about a 13-year-old here, Adora. You're not 13. The conversation started because we're talking about you guys. So you're not 13, you're 10. There's no way you will go where we don't know where you are. Okay, so make sure put this in your bag then, Mama. And guys, get other things ready, please. Without washing your hands. Dodge. This one. What? You people are sneezing. Another one will say what? Another one will say what? I don't know. Maybe she still have a small voice as well. She's gonna have her own. Maybe she's gonna say Hata. She's gonna sound like Zango KwaZulu Natal. Hata. Blessing, please don't make noise, Mama. Blessing, don't make noise. Other people are still sleeping, please. Imagine her to say, Hata, you'll be surprised. In 7 months?
Yeah.
The 5th was yesterday, was not 4th yesterday? Okay, so we have to take a picture today. And she was dressed and it was new moon. I should have took a picture, but didn't know. So guys, that was the 8 o'clock alarm. I don't know why I'm moving so this one now is okay. Whose lunchbox is this? Okay, so you're gonna help me so we can move fast. Get me the yogurt drinks from the fridge. Blessing did help me so we can be fast. Okay, get me the second one. No, just keep everything here. Thank you. And then the bags, you just empty them there. So that's the fruits. So a few grapes. So push this down. And okay, how does it look? Okay, when they're coming, it's like this. Here. And then so just a little bit of simple. Okay. So then, so whose lunchbox did you say this is? I'll wash the wrap. So it's easy for her to hold it. So apples, say hi, they can't see you but they can hear you.
Hi.
Pears and
So
grapes.
here. You put your hand behind the camera.
This side, like, if you want.
Hi. Chichi. Make sure you subscribe, everybody.
Yogurt drink.
I know it's basic, but it's not to subscribe.
It's basic. What do you know about basic? So come into the nonsense here. Stop that's your stupid English. Basic.
What's wrong?
Yeah, you don't even know what is basic, so don't come and say what you don't know here, please.
Okay.
No, it's basic. What do you know about basic? I wake up and pack a basic lunch.
I was
What
just
do you know?
explaining what.
Yeah, she was like, I know it's basic, but subscribe. She don't even know what is basic. She just told me
And
she's
she's
English.
smiling.
The worst part of all is that she don't even know what is basic.
I'm talking about basic. What do you mean it's basic?
I know it's basic and subscribe.
Doesn't can't even make her own lunch.
Of course I can. It's okay, Adora, have you brought out your bag? Your bottle, please. Or water.
Did you brush? Yeah, did you? Yeah. Sure.
Okay, cut this smaller piece. I think I have 20 I'm struggling to. So hopefully, no, can you guys stop? No. If there's anything I mixed up, I believe this is Adora's, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think I put the one in butter here. And but any other thing is the same. It's just I use his butter. There we go. The lunch box ready. So put this on yours.
Thank you.
Okay, so now Blessing, I need your bottle, please.
Okay, Mom.
Chiso is awake?
Yeah.
That's okay. I'm gonna warm her food now.
Okay. Wait, she's awake.
Blessing, just give me your bottle first, okay, Mama? Be fast. Okay. And then bring a brush, and then you grab a jacket, please. Adora, make sure you don't climb on my bed with your shoes.
Colors, and it doesn't really match my clothes I'm wearing. The jacket.
Yeah, but with the jacket, you're wearing the jacket because it's cold. You're not wearing the jacket to match the thing. So you have to take your jacket and put it on because it's cold, so you need it.
Okay.
Yeah. Some people, when it comes to prayer, if they pray or not, because some people can lie. Hey, some people can lie. Hey, you say, did you pray? They'll say yes. Oh, you didn't pray?
Yes.
You prayed?
Yeah.
Okay, kiss. Ada? Hey, come. Okay. Okay, go, guys. Huh?
Did you kiss Blessing?
I kiss Blessing now.
Do you want the second one?
Yeah. This one, she don't mind. She'll have like a many kisses. No problem. No problem. Your lunch, Mama. Did you take your lunch box?
You and Jesus going to be going to the boogie?
We're gonna go somewhere today. With the boogie, I'm not too sure. Remember, we don't have to go anywhere much with the boogie anymore because your dad can take us where we want to go. Okay, right, guys. Love
To go to the pharmacy.
the pharmacy, right? Yeah, I might take a walk with you guys when you come back. Will that be better?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we might take a walk and go to the pharmacy together. Okay, right. See you guys later.
See you later, Mom.
Love you guys. I'll check. You know the watch. I'll check on Amazon if.
Broke it. It broke. The wire broke off.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying that I'll check if they sell the charger on its own. If they do, then you can be able to use that. Okay, bye guys.
This is called snow. It is snowing.
I can barely see anything on the camera.
Ah. Okay, let me just clean the camera a little bit.
No, it looks like rain.
It kind of look like rain, but this is like a heavy snow. I don't know why it's looking like rain. And that's our car. That's our motor. And let me show you the bin. Bin. Look, our bin down there is flowing, like it's floating. I can't believe we are having this type of snow this time of the year. I mean, we are in March, and today is what of March? I don't know what date is it. Oh, it's getting worse. Today is I think it's the 6th of March. I don't know. Anyway, I'll put the date. I'll kind of do like a weekly vlog. I can't believe like we don't usually have snow this time. We don't usually have snow this time of the year. So I am just like, I think, let me show you from far, maybe you see more. Move this thing from your head. We see